Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is,
As you sit in the classroom listening to your professor lecture on this big topic, all of the information entering from your eyes, ears, and so on are respects 0000 sensory memory, short-term memory, long-term memory, working memory, and answer the question. The information entering from your eyes, ears, and other sensory as you listen to your professor lecture in the classroom pertains to sensory memory. Sensory memory is brief storage of sensory information such as what you see, hear, and lasts for a very short duration, usually a few seconds before either being transferred to short-term memory or forgotten. So the correct answer is sensory memory.
thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.